Welcome back to this again topic on solutions. We had the depression in the freezing point in the previous video. We have derived the expression for the molecular mass. So remember these some important points. That is, the first one is expression for the molecular mass is M2 is equal to 1000 kF W2 divided by W1 into delta TF, where W2 is weight of the solute, W1 is weight of the solvent, delta TF is depression in freezing point, and M2 is molar mass. Kf is called molar elevation constant, and this Kf is a constant for a given solvent. For example, for water, Kf is found to be 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. That is, when you add 1 mole of a non-volatile non-electrolyte solute in 1 kg of water, the freezing point will decrease from 0 to minus 1.86 degrees Celsius. So that is one important point. The second point is, for a given solvent, Kf is calculated by using the relationship R T0 square divided by 1000 LF, where T0 is freezing point of pure solvent, and LF is latent heat of fusion. Of solvent, okay. Then the R is gas constant, so we can calculate the Kf value. Using that also, if you calculate for water, it comes out to be 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. So this principle of depression in freezing point can be used to prepare the freezing mixtures. We know that when a person selling the ice candies in a wooden cart is observed, to keep the ice cream intact without melting, he keeps the mixture of common salt and ice in the outer box. So this actually mixture of common salt and ice, or any salt and ice, will lower the freezing point of the ice or water lower than the 0 degrees. So a mixture of salt and ice makes the freezing point of water lowered. For example, when we mix this common salt, sodium chloride and ice, this will produce a temperature of about minus 33 degrees Celsius. So this mixture of sodium chloride and ice will produce the temperature minus 33 degrees Celsius. That is, from 0 degree, it will reduce the freezing point by 33 degrees Celsius. So such mixtures can be used in various laboratories. For example, in the diazotization reactions, when we have that only ice, it may not be stabilize the diazotized compound, or diazotization reaction can be carried out by using the freezing mixture. So for such laboratory applications, as well as to produce the lower temperatures, we can use the freezing mixture. The next important point is, in the cold countries, when water is used in the radiators of the engines, like a car or any other automobile, then at that 0 degree or lower than 0 degree, that water in the radiator will become solid. So to reduce that temperature or to keep the water in the liquid form, they mix some materials which are called as the anti-freezing agents. Anti-freezing agents. These will reduce or these will lower the freezing point of water so that water remains in liquid state in radiators of cars and other automobiles. For example, ethylene glycol and also glycerin or glycerol. These can be used as the anti-freezing agents. When these are mixed with water, water will remain in the liquid state even though the temperature is sub-zero or below the 0 degree Celsius. So such materials will keep the water in the liquid state in the radiators. So with respect to the numericals based on the delta TF or molecular mass determinations and some important calculations, we shall see in the next video. Thank you.